So this is the view from the front steps of 3181 Bayou Sound. I'm going to do a kind of a circle view here. And then we're going to head on into the house. Got some hardwood floors that are in need of refinishing. You can see where the sun has faded out. The floors where there was a rug over them, and the same there. So they would need refinishing. The ceiling is a terracotta, and the ceiling fan has been painted the same. So this area here we consider, I guess, a bonus room. There's the laundry. That leads into a bathroom with Berber carpet. We've got orange walls. See, it probably needs to be repainted. It's got cultured marble countertop. And then this is a bedroom also with where you can see that the sun has faded on the floors. Or actually, it's darkened around where the carpet used to be. That's the view out to the canal. Just walk on over into the kitchen. We've got granite counters. You can see where there's some splitting there. I don't know if you can see that or not. But let me just look down to the pool. So the pool looks good, and then that leads out to the dock and canal. And we're going to wander over to the master bedroom. The master bedroom's got striped wallpaper. And this is where it looks like there used to be a TV or maybe an AC unit there, a wall unit that used to be there. You've got some wall damage from where there was drapery rods. You can see that this room is heated and cooled separately from the rest of the house. And you go into the master bath, and you've got Berber carpet, double sinks, shower. You can see where the wallpaper's all peeling. There's the toilet and closet. I'm going to go outside, look at a shot of the exterior. But that's this house. I think it does need a lot of fixing up for what it is.